we have a black spur 6-inch combination pliers. Black spur, where are these from? Hamble distribution in Glasgow. Fully polished head, comfortable plastic grips. To be honest, they feel like Parkside type. Oh, that's not a very good finish, is it? What the hell's gone on there? I don't know if you can see that, but that end is not the best. Unless it's supposed to be that shape, but it looks bloody awful. No, I don't really rate those. What did I pay for those? Number 138. I paid £4. Ooh, that's a bit much. Seeing as you can get Parkside ones for they're about £2.49, and they look a lot better than this, that's for sure.